everyone, it's Beth from SweetHearts and I'm here today with the gorgeous Abby May Belshaw, who is 8 and also my daughter. And we're going to show you a really cute and easy prom wedding style with no curls, no heat, dead easy to do. So I hope you love it. Let's get started. So to start this style, guys, I want you to just take a triangular section at the top of the head. Okay guys, so you're just going to smooth that section out and then you're going to pop in a little elastic. So next guys, I'm just going to take this looped hair tool. Now we do sell these on our website, but if you haven't got one, don't worry, you can just use your fingers to do this. So I'm just going to push it through. Pull that hair through like that. And then just wiggle that hair through that gap, okay? Just like that. Next, you'll hold on to this elastic, guys, and we're just going to be doing some pulling at this hair, okay? So you'll pull on the edges. You want it to be kind of messy, not too perfect. So the next part is to take another slice of hair from both sides and pop another elastic in. And again, I'm just going to do that little flip. Tighten it up slightly, guys, because I don't want to show that elastic underneath, and then you're going to do the pulling out again. And we're going to do another one. So all I want you to do on this last bit, guys, right, is do 2 normal braids, 2 normal plaits. And then as you go with these braids, guys, right, what I want you to do is just pull at them, but I don't want them to look too uniform, okay? So they don't need to look perfect. So with these 2 braids now, you can kind of decide how you want to pin them, okay? It's sort of, you know, there isn't one rule fits all. It depends how long the hair is, what texture the hair is, but I'm just going to kind of like wind this around this side and pin it. So just using a long grip, I don't want to open it. I'm just going to catch hold of that hair and push it through. And again on this side, I'm just going to sort of wind that hair up and pin. And then all you'll do now, guys, is kind of like just pull at it a bit, pin where you need to, make it look a little bit messier if you want to, but that is it. So no curls, no heats. 10 minutes and you've got an updo. Amazing. And then if you want to, guys, you can just put a few little accessories in just to make it look a bit fancier. Okay guys, so I hope you agree with me. That was a really easy no heat updo. I'm just going to do a little spin for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and me and Abby will see you again soon. Bye.